Hello and welcome to you all. So in this video we are going to see the improvements and updates from Odoo 18.1. Yes friends, Odoo has released the 18.1 release note and we can see quite good improvements in 18.1. So in this video we are going to see few of them. So let's start the video. So the first improvement is from the dashboard. So now in 18.1, inside the dashboard we can add our dashboard in our favorite list and we can create our favorite list. So let's jump to the dashboard module and we can see the dashboards. And on a dashboard, currently I am on a sale dashboard. So on a dashboard, on the right hand side we can see the favorite toggle. If I am clicking on it, so my sale dashboard is added in my favorite list. Likewise, I can add any of the dashboard. Let's go to the rental, click on a favorite star. So my rental is adding in favorite list. So now I can able to create my favorite list of dashboard and I can see anytime. This is the great feature. So the next one is from the outgoing mail server. So let's jump to the outgoing mail server and let me create one. So inside outgoing mail server, now we can able to see there are more connection encryption type available in 18.1 outgoing mail server form. So before 18.1 we have only three connection encryption type, which are none, TLS and SSL. But now in 18.1 we have two more, which are encryption and validation, and encryption only for TLS and SSL TLS. So what is the main difference between these two? So for encryption and validation, data will be encrypted and the server will be authenticated by the SSL certificate. And for encryption only the data will be encrypted. There's no validation of no authentications will be checked for SSL certificate for this type. So this will add additional layer of security for mailing outgoing mail server inside Odoo 18.1. So the next feature is from the studio. So now in Odoo 18.1 we can able to enable and disable the duplication record actions directly from the studio. So if I am going to sale order and if I want to duplicate this sale order, I need to just select it and from actions I can able to duplicate it. But if I want to remove this duplicate action from the sale order model, then I need to do a technical code. I need to add copy code false in list view. But in Odoo 18.1 we can able to do it without the code or customization. We need to click on the studio and on a view side with the can create, can edit and can delete, we can able to see the can duplicate button. So with this configuration we can enable or disable the duplication of the record for the particular sale order model or any particular model. So I'm uncheck the can duplicate and save the studio customization for sale order model. And now if I am selecting any sale order and clicking on action, now I cannot able to see the duplicate action. So it will be a disable for sale order model. So likewise we can enable or disable the duplication of the model for particular duplication of the actions for particular model using this studio. So the next feature is from the payroll. So let me jump to the payroll module. So now in Odoo 18.1 every payroll localization has the payroll master report. So if I am clicking on reporting and master report, here we can create a master report for payroll. So I'm clicking on new. We need to just select the company, the period in between. I have to print the report and the salary rules. So if I want to print the report for particular record or salary rule, then I need to select the salary rules, and if I am keeping it blank, then all salary rule are counted for this report. I'm saving and generate the XLS report. So let me download this report. So here I have downloaded the report. So system will fetch all the payslips in between the start and end date, which I have configured on that report, and it will fetch all the salary structure of the payslip and print the report per salary structure. So we can see here I have a regular pay, and second is United States regular pay. So for regular pay, all the payslips and employees, they have which I have created the payslips, it will be listed, it will be printed inside this report with their all the salary rules and the amount of the salary rules. And for United States, all the employee which has the United States regular pay salary structure, it will be listed down and printed over here with their salary rules and amount. So this one is the master report of payroll, and it will be available in all of the localization. So the next improvement is from the server action. So let's jump to the server action. I'm creating any server action. So for example, I'm creating add follower action. So this is particularly for follower. So if I want to add a follower server action for sell order, I'm selecting the model and I have to select one specific followers. So I'm selecting a specific follower, Abigail. Whenever I use this server action for sell order model, then for that particular record, system will automatically add this follower Abigail into that particular sell order record. But this is a static one. I have to select the follower here, and only those followers can able to add it inside the sell order record. But now in Odoo 18.1, we have the dynamic follower type. So we can use the dynamic follower. So in dynamic follower, we have to give the partner ID field over here. So let's assume that I have a new field, other follower ID. So I have added this field, other follower ID, in sell order, and I'm adding this other follower ID, or let's go to the referral ID. So whoever the referral ID or other follower ID I have selected for this particular field, those follower directly added using this server action. So it is a dynamic follower functionality. The person, the partner which I have selected in this field, it will be added as a follower for this particular sell order record. So this is a great feature for dynamically adding the follower inside our model. Next feature is from the sales and inventory. So let me jump to the sales configuration, and we can see a unit and packaging. So in Odoo 18.1, Odoo has removed the unit of measure category, and it is revamped the unit of measure and combine it with the packaging, and it will be on a single model. So if you can see here, we have a one unit. So this is one unit of measure. It has the quantity 1, which is a referral unit. And if we go to the packaging, we have a pack of 6, which is a packaging, and we have a pack of 6 unit name, and we have a 6 units. Here we have to select the referral units. So 6 unit, it is one pack, and I can use this packaging and unit of measure inside the product. So if I'm going to product, I'm selecting apple pie. So here we can see I can able to select this sale unit of measure and purchase unit of measure, and inside the sale I can able to select the packaging also, and those all are in a single model. And if I'm going to add any quotation for this apple pie, let me add one quotation for apple pie product. So with this unit field, we can either select the unit, or we can either select the unit of packaging, which is a pack of 6, and the unit price will be calculated based on this unit package, and it will reflect over here. So this one is the great feature in Odoo 18.1. Okay, now the next feature is from the accounting. So let's jump to the accounting. So inside the accounting, if I'm going to invoicing, so now for invoicing and billing, we have a dedicated debit note button. So before Odoo 18.1, inside 18 and 17, so for that we have a debit note here inside the action, but in 18.1 we have a dedicated debit note button which we can use to create a debit note for invoicing and billing. Okay, the next feature is again from accounting. So if I'm going to configurations and follow-up level, so now in Odoo 18.1 for follow-up level we can use WhatsApp. So if I'm open any follow-up level, I can able to see the WhatsApp checkbox and I can able to select the WhatsApp template over here. So whenever I'm going to send any follow-up email, if I'm going to send follow-up email for this particular customer on accounting, if I'm clicking on send button, I can use a WhatsApp for follow-up message for this particular client, and I can send a WhatsApp message with the template and phone number which I have configured in the follow-up level. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you guys like these features and like this video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.